So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. Learning from class 26, that is distance versus displacements, networks first law, motor principle, motor direction control. So let's overview of today's class: algorithm design, flowchart, variables, operators, function. So this is our block algorithm design. So let's do coding. So according to algorithm, one clap is detected generate random number and store in n variable. And next is according to algorithm, if n is equals to 1, turn left, wait for 1 second and stop. Next is n is equals to 2, turn right, wait for 1 second and stop. Third is n is equals to go forward, wait for 2 seconds and stop. Fourth is n is equals to 4, go backward, wait for 2 seconds and stop. After that, after 4 we have to change n is equals to 2. For turning left we have to rotate, and it should become in forever block. So this learning from today's class: algorithm design, flowchart, variables, read digital pin, functions. So you can see this is our output when I'm saying rotating. Thank you guys, bye bye.